Welcome back to the channel. Another day in the shop. Today the plan is to get this thing to be a roller again entirely. So what that means is we gotta strip the links out. We already cleaned them up, we just gotta weld them out, double check all of our measurements, pull the rear axle out, build all the supporting structure for the bump stops and the link mounts and whatnot, and then pull the third member out, weld it out, as well as install a new diff skid. So we're gonna get all that done today, and hopefully by the end of the day we can start working on the fuel cell and make this thing a roller again. So I figured I'd walk you through my process of doing the welding up links real quick. It's what I do and it works. So I get it in there, I tack it on each side so it doesn't move too much, bevel this out, and then weld it through. And then as soon as I'm done welding, I'll thread this all the way out and back in until the heat starts cooling down. That way it doesn't lock up. Got all the brackets bent up and cleaned up, and the axle housing cleaned up, and the third member stripped out. So now we're gonna start getting all this stuff welded out so we can put it back out of the truck. Got the rear axle all welded out, all the supports made, and back in the truck. I also got this new pinion guard set up on. So the rear axle is pretty much 100% complete. We just got to run brake lines and then throw the coilovers on. So that's what we're going to do next is coilovers. Got the coilover set up in it with the springs on it. Obviously, you're gonna have to do a little bit of adjusting to, once we add all the weight in the rear, to figure out, you know, what our spring rates are actually gonna end up at, weigh everything, and get it dialed in. Thanks for watching.